Hello guys, for a new video today about analyzing markets. So thank you first of all for guys who subscribed to the channel, liked our videos and give us their comments, feedbacks. That's really appreciating guys. So thank you so much, we appreciate that. So today we have some quite interesting movements in our daily analysis of financial markets. I will start by the commodities market. So here we have the oil, which is climbing. So it's so important, guys, to start your analysis every day by watching the macroeconomics, watching the commodities markets like oil, gas, gold, silver. So what we're having today as a movement is that oil is moving up, gold is moving up, silver is moving up. So we have some quite bullish markets of commodities. Okay, so that's the first thing to note. And then we're gonna go to the PayPal stock. I will start by PayPal because it's quite interesting at the moment. Like we see, I am in hourly basis, and here we have some correction up after reaching the low at 58 Thursday. We have this correction up, so that's really interesting. I will add the moving average, simple moving average, and now I will choose the 21 or 20. Okay, and like we see, we have the price which is going up the moving average. So the moving average can act as a support of price. That means that price can rebound. Okay, first technical signal, which is bullish. The second one that we have here is this volume indicator. Like you see here, we have quite lots of volumes at this level of 61, which means that that can be the point of control of the markets or the center of gravity of markets. What does it mean? That means that the markets can try to reach again these levels where there are lots of volumes, because this is the center of gravity or where buyers and sellers are placing orders. That's my favorite indicator, guys, and that's really good point to have in your chart every time you want to analyze financial markets. So I expect that price can go up at 61. That means that 2% move, and then I expect clearly that by analyzing the weekly charts, the monthly charts, I think people is bullish for the next weeks. Okay, guys. So that is my opinion in PayPal. I stay bullish about it. Don't hesitate to tell me in comments what do you think about that. The second one I will talk about is Tesla. Tesla is bullish. It's doing quite good movements recently, moving up in this broken this resistance level. We are at 488 for the moment, and the price is clearly trying to break 499 or 500 level, which can be done in the next days. But for the moment, I expect more bearish broken up at this level. Okay, so I expect that we can come back to test again this resistance that is becoming a support of price. The market can touch it and then try to get to this level of 450. But for the moment, I stay quite bearish, and I will watch how the markets will react at this key level. Next next share is Nvidia. I stay quite bearish about it, even if we have this interesting movement linked to fundamentals, because there are lots of good news at the moment of Nvidia about exporting the, the material to China. Is there deal, no deal? So there are lots of speculation about that, which means that the price is going up for the moment fundamentally, but technically for me it's a bearish, and it will stay same for the next weeks. So I'm not buying it until we have good correction and a big returning to this level of 169, and then we can decide what to do with Nvidia. But for the moment, it's not offering quite bullish momentum. But if you guys you already bought the Nvidia share, my recommendation is to wait. Okay, wait few weeks, few months to really profit from good bullish movement. But for the moment, clearly the market is not giving buying opportunity, even if you know what I think about Nvidia. It's really good share to have in the medium and long term. It's driving the market, driving all the momentum in financial markets at the moment, in US financial markets. So there are a lot of speculation about it, and I recommend keeping it in your portfolio and wait for the right moment to sell it. For the guys who are not yet in the market, in Nvidia market, my recommendation is to wait for a big correction of 5% and then going in and buying share. How about Meta? You know that Meta is quite my favorite one for consolidation. Why I say that? Because the price is playing in good levels of consolidation between the 580 and the 675, which means that the price can continue playing at these levels, and that's offering quite buying and selling opportunity which are really interesting. Like you see here, we are really playing the ping pong game in this area, which means that can continue in the next day. So for now, I'm selling it, and then when we reach 580, you can buy it and then play this game of buy and sell. So it's perfect for scalpers, and it's my recommendation for the moment. And Microsoft too, guys, it's really interesting. Like you see the waves that is making. So that means that there is limited volatility, and we have a volatility in these areas of volumes, which means that price can consolidate again and again in these levels, which is quite a good thing if we can expect buying and selling targets that can be in this area. Okay guys, so really interesting movements. I expect that can continue in the next day, and then if we broke these levels up or down, you can make the stop loss, but you already took good profits by playing ping pong for a long time. And then when we have the broken level, and when we have the confirmation, go bullish or bearish, it depends in the sense of the market, and then you can expect good amount of return and profitability with this level breaking. Okay guys, next one I wanna show is Shopify. You understand my opinion about it. It's really good to have in the portfolio. It's bullish for the medium long term, but for the moment I prefer also selling it because clearly we have a market that is really overbought at this time, I expect some consolidation and then going up again in a new wave. So my expectation is keep it in your portfolio. It's really good to have for the medium and long term. And for guys who aren't yet in Shopify, wait for some correction and then go in and expect some good return of investment. And the last one I want to show to you is Amazon, which is quite bearish for me again. And here we have some bearish trend like you see. So I expect the price to bounce back at this level of 230 and then goes back to the level of 215, which will be the good level to buy the Amazon share. Okay guys, so thank you so much for following this video. I hope you like it and see you tomorrow in a new technical analysis. And don't hesitate to like, to share with your friends who want to invest in financial markets to see this technical analysis. And I'm always open to hear your feedbacks and what do you think about market, about every share. So yeah, don't hesitate to like and subscribe. Thank you guys.